everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 10. The number of patients per shift consulting Dr. Gita is her past 100 shifts is shown in the figure. This is the figure. If the amount she earned is 1000 rupees multiplied by x minus 0.2, what is the average amount in rupees she has earned per shift in the past 100 shifts? And 4 options are given. So it is asking what is the average amount she has earned per shift in the past 100 shift. So here 20 shift, 40 shift, 30 shift, 10 shift. All total is 100. In first 20 shift, she was consulting 5 patients. Then next 40 shift, in every shift she was consulting 6 patients. Next 30 shift she was consulting 7 patients. Next 10 shift she was consulting 8 patients. If you can say one shift is 1 hour, in 1 hour initially she was consulting 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 patients. It is asking what is the average amount she has earned per shift. Total is 100 shifts, so average amount earned per shift. And here it's given the number of patients per shift is x. So here x equal to 5 multiplied 20 plus 6 multiplied 40 plus 7 multiplied 30 plus 8 multiplied 10. So total it's 100 shift divide 100. So after solving we'll get 630 divide 100, that is 6.3. So x equals to 6.3. So in one shift average number of patients Dr. Gita consult is 6.3. Now how much amount she earn? So 1000 multiplied x minus 0.2. So 1000 multiplied x, in place of x we will write 6.3. 6.3 minus 0.2. 6.3 minus 0.2, that is 6.1. So 1000 multiplied 6.1, it's 6100. So the average amount she earned per shift equals to option A, 6100. If you can analyze this figure perfectly, you can easily solve this question. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.